And the first step in our omelet preparation is preparing our oil, which in this case is our butter. We need to clarify the butter, which means that we have to put raw butter into a saucepan and put it over a very low heat. That heat will separate the solids from the oil, which we will then depellage with a common ladle. By taking these solids away from the oil, we increase the smoking temp of the oil or its resistance to heat, which means that it will not burn in the pan and be a lot more effective as an oil. Of course, you may use olive oil or vegetable oil if you prefer, though the traditional French method has always been clarified butter, and it works very well and adds a wonderful flavor to the end product. So when we get this to a very slow, low simmer, we want to tilt the pan over to help, and then we just want to gently skim the top. The product in the end should be a very clear, translucent liquid